Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're diving deep into the world of better posture and a stronger core. If you're tired of slouching and want to stand tall with confidence, this video is tailor-made for you. We're bringing you 7 targeted exercises that not only work wonders for your core strength, but also contribute to a posture that exudes grace and stability. We understand the challenges of maintaining a strong core, especially in a world where sitting and screens dominate our lives. But fear not, as we've curated a series of exercises that will engage, challenge, and ultimately transform your core muscles. Say goodbye to back pain and hello to a more upright, poised version of yourself. So, whether you're new to fitness or a seasoned pro, these exercises are your secret weapon to achieving posture perfection and a core of steel. Stay tuned and let's embark on this transformative journey together. At number 1, we have side plank with rotation. Engage in the side plank with rotation, an exercise that takes your core workout to the next level. This dynamic variation builds upon the foundation of the classic plank, targeting not only your core but also enhancing the strength of your arms, shoulders, and obliques through fluid arm movements. To begin, assume a position lying on your right side with your right forearm placed beneath your shoulder. Extend your legs, stacking your left foot atop the right. Extend your left arm skyward, increasing the challenge and engagement of your core. Now comes the twist, literally. Rotate your torso downward, guiding your left arm beneath your body. This controlled motion not only stimulates your obliques, but also fosters a sense of balance and coordination. Let's move on to number 2, mountain climber. Embark on a dynamic journey with the mountain climber, an intermediate exercise that seamlessly blends the prowess of a plank with rhythmic knee movements, culminating in a symphony of balance and core strength enhancement. Begin by assuming the plank position, aligning your hands beneath your shoulders. Activate your core muscles, creating a sturdy foundation for the exercise. Channel your focus to your right knee as you lift it toward your chest, maintaining the integrity of your back's alignment and ensuring your hips remain steady and lowered. With a controlled motion, return your right leg to its initial position while simultaneously raising your left knee toward your chest, ushering in a harmonious shift of movement from side to side. Keep the momentum alive by alternating your knee movements, mirroring the rhythm of a climber ascending a mountain. As you navigate this sequence, your balance and core strength experience a notable surge. To initiate, tackle a single set of 8 to 12 repetitions, enabling your body to acquaint itself with the exercise's intricacies. Number 3 on our list is bird dog with elbow to knee. Embark on a journey of balance and core mobility with the bird dog with elbow to knee, a variation that seamlessly intertwines fluid movement with abdominal and back engagement. To begin, adopt a position on all fours, with your hands aligned below your shoulders and knees beneath your hips. Gradually lift and extend your right leg, ensuring it reaches the level of your hip. At the same time, elevate and elongate your left arm to shoulder height with your palm facing the ground. Now, as you enter the heart of the movement, summon your right knee and left elbow toward one another, uniting them in a graceful convergence. Feel the engagement in your core as you create this connection. With precision, revert to your initial stance, positioning your right leg and left arm in alignment with your body's natural form. Embark on your fitness journey by initiating a single set of 8 to 12 repetitions, allowing your body to absorb the exercise's intricacies and harness its benefits. Bringing us to number 4, warrior crunch. Embark on a journey of strength and integration with the warrior crunch, a variation that bridges the gap between core engagement and lower body empowerment. Position yourself with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width, with your hands gently placed behind your head and your chest open. You're poised for this transformative exercise. Allow your torso to lean towards the side, orchestrating a convergence of motion where your right elbow seeks your right thigh. Embark on this venture with a single set of 8 to 12 repetitions. At number 5, we have plank. Engage in the foundational strength of the plank, a timeless exercise that unites your entire body while pinpointing the core for an invigorating workout. To begin, take your position on all fours, placing your hands in alignment with your shoulders and your knees beneath your hips. Extend your legs backward, ensuring they remain at hip-width distance. A symmetrical alignment is key as you create a straight line from your head to your heels. Channel your focus to your core, allowing it to tighten and become your central anchor. Maintain this dynamic position, holding the plank for a duration of 10 to 30 seconds. Throughout this engagement, you're not only nurturing your core but also fortifying your arms, shoulders, back, glutes, and legs. Embark on a series of repetitions, ranging from 3 to 5, each time reaping the benefits of the plank's full body engagement. Let's move on to number 6, supine toe tap. The supine toe tap is a foundational Pilates exercise renowned for its ability to engage core muscles. To begin, lie on your back and elevate your legs, ensuring your knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Position your hands by your sides, palms facing downward. Initiate the exercise by tightening your core muscles to establish stability. Next, slowly lower your right foot towards the floor, gently tapping it while keeping your left leg stationary and maintaining a flat back against the surface. Following this, elevate your right leg back to the initial position. The movement should be controlled and deliberate, focusing on engaging the targeted muscles throughout. Subsequently, repeat the sequence with your left leg. The alternating pattern ensures balanced engagement of both sides. It's recommended to initiate your practice with a single set, comprising 8 to 12 repetitions. This measured approach allows you to gradually build strength and familiarity with the exercise while maintaining proper form and control. Incorporating the supine toe tap into your fitness routine can contribute not only to a stronger core, but also to enhanced stability, improved lower body strength, and reduced strain on the spine. This exercise underscores the holistic principles of Pilates, promoting a harmonious fusion of muscle engagement and controlled movement for overall physical well-being. Last but not least, we have bicycle crunch. Dive into the dynamic realm of the bicycle crunch, a variation that intertwines the classic crunch with a graceful twist, targeting your obliques, rectus abdominis, and hips for a comprehensive workout. To embark on this journey, begin by lying on your back, with your left knee gently drawn toward your chest in a bent position. Your right leg remains straight and slightly elevated off the floor, setting the stage for this transformative exercise. Support your head with your hands placed behind your neck or the lower part of your head, ensuring to avoid exerting pressure on your neck during the movement. As you initiate the motion, elevate your right shoulder off the floor, simultaneously directing your right elbow toward your left knee. This twist engages your core muscles, fostering a connection between your upper body and lower body. With a deliberate transition, lower your right shoulder back to the floor while extending your left leg. At this point, your right knee bends as you bring it toward your chest, marking a fluid exchange between your legs. And there you have it, the key to unlocking a stronger core and better posture. We hope these 7 exercises have been both enlightening and empowering, guiding you towards a healthier and more confident you. Remember, a strong core isn't just about aesthetics, it's about enhancing your overall well-being and quality of life. Incorporating these exercises into your routine will set you on a path to improved posture, reduced discomfort, and increased strength. If you found this video helpful, don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends who could benefit, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our upcoming fitness guides. Keep practicing, stay committed, and enjoy the incredible benefits of a strong core and impeccable posture. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, keep standing tall and feeling your best.